How to check or view saved password on Opera browser on your mobile device. And this particular information is dealing with Android devices. So if you use an Android devices, you want to see the saved password on your Opera browser. This is very simple. The first thing you have to do is to be sure that you have an Opera browser installed on your device and that Opera browser is up to date. If it is not up to date, go to your App Store, that is your Play Store, download the update and have the latest version of that browser. Now tap on that browser. Once tap on the browser, it comes out like this. Then tap on this icon here. Once tap on this icon, then just swipe up like this. Then scroll down until you see this button that says password. You can see here, guys, that we have about 147 saved password on this browser. Tap on it. Once tap on it, if you have any alternative means of verify your device like password, like pin, it comes out. So let me provide my pin and access this page. So I've provided my pin and the page is like this. Now I want to see any of these website that I've stored in and see the passcode to this website. So all I have to do is to just pick any of this website and access the passcode like this one. Now tap on it. Once tap on it, it comes out like this. Now you see the email address attached to it. You see the password here. Now to see the password, just tap on this eye icon and here you have access to the password. So that is all how to have access to the password you saved on your Opera browser on your Android device. If you enjoyed this tip and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.